You should have seen professional reports, such as a company's annual report, business proposals, or white papers. When you examine such reports, you'll probably see headers such as 2025 annual reports at the top of each page of the report. Also seen at the top of these professional documents could be page numbers, company logo, or repeated titles at different sections of the pages. The secret behind these organized titles lies with headers and footers. They are key to document organization and professionalism in word processing apps. Headers and footers are dedicated areas at the top and bottom of each page, designed to hold information that you want to appear uniformly throughout your entire document or specific sections of it. What are headers and footers? Header is the special area located in the top margin of your document, while footer is the special area located in the bottom margin of your document. Any content you place within a header or footer will automatically repeat on every page by default, unless you specify otherwise. This might seem simple, but its power lies in eliminating tedious manual repetition and ensuring impeccable consistency. The following are the importance of headers and footers in document creation. It eliminates manual typing of repeated titles or page numbers. Imagine manually typing the same document title or page number on every single page of a 50-page report. Headers and footers solve this and offer much more. Helps in maintaining professionalism and branding. You can instantly elevate your document's look by placing your company logo, a professional document title, or a confidential notice in the header section. This is crucial for maintaining consistent branding in business communications. It ensures consistent document navigation. The most common use of headers and footers is for page numbers. For long documents, consistent page numbering is vital for readers to track their progress and reference specific information. It also enhances efficiency and accuracy. Set it once, and Word does the rest. This saves you immense time and eliminates the risk of human error from manual entry. Used for legal and compliance. Many official documents, contracts, policies, require specific disclaimers, version control, or identifiers in the header or footer. How to insert headers and footers in a document. To insert headers and footers in your document, use any of the following methods. Method 1. The quick double-click. This method is fast and intuitive. It provides the quickest way to get into header or footer editing mode. To use this method, do the following. 1. Open the Word document you want to add headers and footers. 2. Move your mouse pointer into the top margin area, for a header, or the bottom margin area, for a footer, of a page. 3. Double-click in any of the margin area, the header area, or the footer area. Observe that the main document text will dim, and the cursor will appear around the header or footer area, indicating you are in editing mode. Also, notice that a new header and footer tab will appear at the ribbon. With the editing mode and the header and footer tab active, you can insert header or footer elements into the header or footer. Method 2. Using the ribbon. This is the official path to inserting headers and footers. This method is precise and is often required to demonstrate knowledge of the ribbon structure. Follow these steps to use this method. 1. Open the Word document you want to add headers and footers. 2. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. 3. In the header and footer group, click on Header if you want to insert a header, or Footer if you want to insert a footer. 4. A gallery of built-in header or footer designs will appear. You can select one of these if they fit your needs. You may also choose the blank 3-column header or footer. 5. Type the text you want, or insert an image or a logo in the header or footer area. 6. If you do not want to choose from the pre-designed gallery, you can start from scratch. You can also edit an existing header or footer. In case you want to start from scratch, or want to edit an existing header or footer, Select Header or Footer. From the list that appears, choose Edit Header or Edit Footer from the bottom of the drop-down menu. With the editing mode and the Header and Footer tab active, you can insert header or footer elements into the header or footer. Items to place in the header or footer. Once you're in header or footer editing mode, and the header and footer tab is active, you can place any of the following items there. 1. Page numbers. This is the quintessential header or footer element. To insert a page number, on the Header and Footer tab, click Page Number. Choose where you want the numbers: top of page, bottom of page, page margins, or current position. You can also select various formatting styles, e.g., page 1 of 10, 1-, etc. To select a formatting style, select Format Page Numbers option on the list to open the Page Number Format dialog box. 2. Date and time. To add date and time on your header or footer section, do the following. On the Insert tab, under Text Group, click Date and Time. In the dialog box that appears, select a date and time format and click OK. If you want it to always show the current date and time, select the Update Automatically check button before clicking OK. 3. Document Info. The Quick Parts menu list to add document info. Follow these steps. On the Insert tab, under Text Group, click Quick Parts, and point to Document Property from the list. You can insert fields like author, title, company, abstract, etc. These fields automatically pull information from the document's properties. Where such information is not available, a placeholder text will be inserted. This is more efficient than typing static text and ensures accuracy if document properties are updated. 4. Pictures, including logos. On the Insert tab, under the Illustrations group, click Pictures, and select this device or online pictures. Browse to locate the image you want to insert, e.g., your company logo or a relevant icon. You can then resize and position the picture within the header or footer. 5. Custom text. Simply type any text you want, such as confidential, a report name, or a department name in the header or footer. Note this: use the Tab key within the header or footer area to quickly align or position text. Pressing Tab once moves the cursor to the center, and pressing it again moves it to the right margin. Exiting header or footer mode. When you're done with your editing and want to exit the header or footer mode, do any of the following. On the Header and Footer tab on the ribbon, click the Close Header and Footer button. Alternatively, simply double-click anywhere in the main document body. You will automatically exit the header or footer mode. You can do more with headers and footers, especially to enhance the professionalism of your documents. This is what we'll discuss in our next lesson. Do not miss this essential header and footer mastery skill. Subscribe now to keep up to date with our future videos.